Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add music on Picsart. To get started, let's open Picsart. Make sure your Picsart is installed on your device. This is your home page. Here you can see many icons. Click on plus icon. Now go to the videos and select video where you want to add music. And now tap on next. Here you can see there are many features. So now let's click on music. Now click on music again. Now select the video. It will export audio from the video. Here you go, you have successfully added music. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.